The TPX3 cam from Amsterdam Scientific Instruments is a pinnacle innovation in ultra-fast imaging detector technology. At its core, the detector features a photon-counting hybrid active pixel sensor based on the advanced Timepix3 ASIC developed at CERN. Unlike slower frame-based digital sensors, the TPX3 cam operates using continuous event-driven readout. Each sensor pixel works like a precision stopwatch with an ultrafine time resolution of 1.56 nanoseconds. Activated pixels simultaneously record both the event time of arrival and response duration, or time over threshold, processing up to 80 million hits per second at an effective frame rate exceeding 500 MHz. Individual pixel responses are intelligently filtered by signal intensity and pixel grouping to afford noise-free detection and remarkable contrast. The TPX3 cam is flexibly formatted to detect photons, electrons, neutrons, and molecular ions. Configured for velocity map imaging spectroscopy, the TPX3 cam captures time-resolved images of gas phase reaction dynamics at exceptionally high repetition rate. Combining the TPX3 cam with an image intensifier enables single photon detection for versatile applications in quantum optics, neutron imaging, and fluorescence lifetime microscopy. Dedicated device software provides an intuitive acquisition control interface and data processing workflow. Users are also offered a robust API package for the freedom to customize data management and device operations using popular language libraries. Amsterdam Scientific Instruments' premium detector solutions empower researchers across the world to see beyond limits with unprecedented speed and accuracy. To find out how you can use the TPX3 cam in your research, contact our experts at info@amsins.com.